what it be? Hey, it's your girl ShykaTee, with the T. Hey, on holistic treatment. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to pipe myself up because listen, it's too late for this. I was not planning on doing this, but guess what? The sound on my previously recorded video, it want to go out. So now I had to figure out something unscripted to hop in and do this for you guys. You want to know why? Because I freaking love you. So if y'all saw my last video about IBS, I'm pretty sure y'all saw me mention something about going to a holistic health doctor. All right, y'all. So the very first time I went, that was pretty much like a discovery session. That was me just introducing myself to them, saying, hey, these are my issues. I need help. Help me figure this out because I have not been able to get it together. So in the first appointment, they saw me. They did like a comprehensive exam. They checked my vitals, checked my stuff, and did some stuff and all that good stuff. And then after an extensive questionnaire, she pretty much sat down with me and told me everything that could be wrong with me. And she gave me a list of tests that she wanted me to take. So what you're about to see is me actually following through with what we talked about in our first appointment. And it was awesome! Y'all, I'm on a mission to convince each and every one of us out here that we need to take our health into our own hands and go as deep and as thorough as possible. So guess what? I'm not gonna tell y'all to do nothing that I'm not gonna do. Now the thing is with Western medicine is they cool and all, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of the times they don't take the time to really figure out what the problem is. They just throw stuff at you and be like, oh, that sounds like a cough, that sounds like pneumonia, that sounds like the flu, that sounds like your stomach hurt. Well, can we like stop worrying about what it sounds like and tell me what it is? I'm not saying throw away Western medicine altogether, but what I am saying is get a second opinion. So today, take a look at my appointment with Progressive, Progressive NutriCare. And y'all, I'm telling you, it was the most bestest experience. I recommend it to everybody. And you know what? I'm talking too much. Go ahead and watch it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, okay? Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Okay, so here I'm at my second appointment today, and yeah, don't mind my hair, y'all. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. It was cuter yesterday. I don't get it. Oh, y'all like my steering wheel? Ain't it cute? Okay, sorry, bring it back. Okay, but yeah, so today is the day I actually go to sit with the doctor and actually get tested this time. So I'm really excited about that. I got a couple of different things that I'm doing. I'm going to get a gastrogram, which is when they kind of like, I guess they give me a pill and they like see how my tummy like just digests stuff. And then I'm also I think I'm going to get brain mapping, where it's like they put a little thing on your head and they like see how your brain interacts with stuff or whatever, because I like have obsessive compulsive personality or whatever you want to call it, OCD, OCP, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, it's supposed to help with anxiety. It's supposed to help with your cognitive thinking, your prefrontal lobe, all that good stuff. And what else am I doing? I'm also gonna do a stool check. Yeah, they gonna check my BBM. That's nasty, but whatever. And I'm also gonna do like a saliva test where like I spit, frankly, within I think 3 different times throughout the day, and they're gonna check that to check my adrenal gland, I think, and my thyroid and stuff like that. And I think that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna get my blood drawn again because I need to see what new food sensitivities I have. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna call it a day. And y'all, thank God for the stimmy, because listen, this stuff ain't cheap. Okay, but yeah, so hopefully they let me record all this stuff. Well, we'll see. If they let me record it, y'all gonna be with me. If not, then don't worry, I'm gonna tell you about it. All right. Okay, get out my phone.
Okay. And you like alternative medicine, correct?
I do. I prefer it.
Nice. Okay. 7, and after a few seconds, I need to put this beautiful medallion on your neck, closer to your stomach.
Okay.
And after I give you capsule. Capsule is very easy to swallow.
Mm-hmm.
You have filtered water here.
Okay.
You can swallow with 1 to 2 sips of water, and we can check what is your pH and the stomach.
Okay.
I'm ready. Are you ready too?
I'm ready. And this
Put on your neck.
This monitors the pH.
This one is medallion. Medallion exchange information between capsule and medallion. Medallion has batteries.
Oh, that's cool.
And everything going on antenna. I can show you everything what is going on.
Oh, cool. So the capsule talks to this thing.
Correct.
Awesome.
Yeah. Grab in your fingers, put to your mouth, and swallow with 1 to 2 sips of water.
Just 1 or 2 sips?
Yeah. Because if you drink too much, it can dissolve your stomach acid. 1 more. Okay. Can you see this green line?
Uh-huh.
It's going down to your stomach.
That is so cool. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Can I show it? Can I show the screen?
Yeah, you can. No, but you will be see much more after. It looks like you have gas in your stomach.
I do. A lot.
Yeah. Okay, now you can sit back.
Awesome.
And when we finish everything, when we be appointment with doctor give you a copy of
Oh,
test.
okay.
It's like you can see everything what is going on.
So is it like in my intestine right now?
No, this one is in the stomach.
Oh, still in my stomach.
It's in
Okay.
the stomach.
And so the baking soda, you're gonna see how my stomach reacts to food?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, cool.
It's very salty.
I'm sure.
Baking soda! I got baking soda!
You grab your water and the drink. How much and when would you like? Stomach is healthy. We need only 20 minutes to break down to same level what we start baking soda.
Okay.
Okay, you can go to lab.
Wait, hold on. Can you see yourself? Yeah. Okay.
So you're gonna go in this.
This is for the stool test.
This stool test.
Okay.
What I tell my patients do, go ahead and drain all the water out the toilet. So turn the water off, flush it, and the bowl will be completely empty. Once you do that, you're gonna go in this. Once you go in this,
I'm a boo boo in the thing.
yeah,
in
the
that?
fry holder, you'll never look at the same.
Ew.
Here's your spoon.
Okay.
Each one has a spoon. You want to start at the front of the sample and work your way back. Okay?
I gotta fill up this whole tube you got.
To the line, the ugly face line, you're gonna fill to that line. Now, there are 3 that are liquid. 4
Okay.
that are liquid, not 3, sorry. Those 4 go into the refrigerator. Little Goldie, right here, because she's gold, she goes into the freezer and you freeze her Goldilocks.
I gotta put my boo boo in the refrigerator.
And in the freezer.
Okay.
Yes. Once you do that, this has to freeze up for 6 hours.
Okay.
Then you make sure that your ice pack is frozen as well. Stick them both together. Put everything back in the box. Put the box in the bag. Put the shipping label on, and take it to FedEx.
Okay. So freeze it as soon as it's frozen for 6 hours. Put it in the box and then ship it to FedEx while it's cold.
All of it. The ones in the refrigerator, everything will go in the box.
Okay.
The ones that have liquid, which you can see it in here. There's liquid.
Okay.
I want you to fill to the line. Don't dump the liquid out. Just fill to the line.
Okay.
Stir.
The boo boo you're talking about.
Mhm.
Okay.
Stir. Cap it. Shake it.
Okay.
And then refrigerate.
Okay. Can I put it in something like a Ziploc bag in the? Okay.
Yeah, they all have them, and they all are labeled day 1, day 2, day 3.
Okay.
Day 1, you'll have 1 tube. Day 2, you'll have 1 tube. Day 3, you will have 3 tubes. 2 will be liquid. 1 will be your frozen.
And 3 of them, and they need does it need to be consecutive days?
It does not. If you don't go every day, you have a total of 7 days.
No, I go every day, so yeah.
So,
I'll do it this weekend.
But if you, on the 3rd day, if you can get enough in this to go ahead and just fill them,
Okay.
all 3 of them,
Right.
go ahead and do it.
Okay. And the instructions, you wrote the instructions down already too.
Yes, the
Okay.
instructions are in the box.
Okay.
Your requisitions in the box, just make sure you fill it out.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
And I'm going to put day 3 together just because there's 2 different bags.
Right. My husband gonna be mad. Well, like he'll be out of town this weekend, so I'll do it when he goes. 'Cause he will have a whole cow.
You got poop in the fridge.
Right. Why do you have poop in the fridge?
Now, this is your adrenal stress test.
Okay.
Okay? Similar to what you just did right here.
What did I do with this?
I'll take that.
No, I'm saying, what did I do? Like this,
You
I chewed on it,
That's it.
and this is for
That is the food allergy.
food allergy. This is
This one is going to be checking cortisol levels.
okay.
So you're going to do the same thing where you chew on it for 2 minutes, but you're going to do it 4 times in 1 day.
Okay.
So you do it within the first 30 minutes of waking up, before you eat, before you drink, before you do anything. Go ahead and put one in your mouth.
And all that's on that paper right there when I'm supposed to chew it. Okay.
Then, after you put the first one in your mouth, the next one's between 11 and 1.
Okay.
The next one's between 4 and 6. And the last one's between 10 and midnight.
Okay.
Okay? Once you do all that, go ahead and put it into the fridge.
Okay.
I tell the patients, do this one on the day before your follow-up visit.
Okay.
And then that way you can bring it back into me, because this will come into me and then I'll ship it out.
Okay. So
it's
bring
the
it.
only one you're shipping.
Okay, I'm shipping that, but do this the day before I have to come in for my appointment.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so now we're gonna get to moving into the blood work.
Okay. And what's all included in the initial again?
Everything, checking thyroid, checking A1C, CBC. I mean, they're checking everything.
Okay.
And that.
All right, y'all, so far so good. I've done everything, and now I'm about to, this is why I love holistic care, because they have a whole natural food store right next door, and y'all know that's like my target. Don't see me in no natural food store because I'm gonna be natural as fuck. Okay, I'm about to go in here and see what they got because I'm hungry, and you got to eat something before you take your brain mapping because it's gonna be fuzzy and stuff. So let's see what they got. They got the, oh, they got my salsa. Oh, they're my salsa. I gotta get them. Damn, my cereal. Look at this. It's so healthy. I just love it. Oh my god, I love this place. I love this place so much. Appetite right. Cause you gotta get your appetite right. Turn up. Okay. Y'all, I love it here. Like, I have one more appointment to get ready to go to my brain mapping, and y'all, the lady was so nice. She told me I can wait and get like biomat. It's like this heated pad on my body and get to relax while I wait for my next appointment. Like, y'all, this is unreal. It feels so good. I'm trying not to be ghetto in here because other people trying to relax, but y'all, I have to share this. This is crazy. So BRB, about to relax and stuff, and I'm gonna wait till my doctor come get me. And yeah, I'm just happy to be here. It's cozy.
Airplane mode.
Okay.
This wheelchair. Would you like to keep your mask? Or would
Yeah,
you like
I'll
to
keep it on.
Okay. Now, I need your help.
Okay. Do I need to take my body pan out my hair? Or?
I think we can put on.
Okay.
If you can hold the two buttons on your forehead.
Okay.
Thank you. Can you see?
Yep.
It's going on.
Yep. It's
Thank
on.
you. It's on. Oh my goodness, you're looking so good now.
Thank you.
Okay, I need to put your earrings because you need special earrings.
Okay.
So much.
Thank
And
you.
drive safe.
I will. Thank you.
Thank you.
Y'all, I had amazing appointments. I got my goodies. I got my stuff to do. I'm just happy to be here. All right, y'all, so I just finished my last appointment. Well, I mean, I just got out of my appointment rather, and y'all, it was the bee's knees. But I wanted to make sure that I talked to y'all about the pricing of it all, because this is the part where it gets like really funky when it comes to holistic medicine, because most people do not take alternative medicines insurance. They don't take that, so you really do have to figure out how to come out of pocket. But one thing I love about Progressive Medical Care is that they gave me options. Either I could have chose Benefits, or I could have chose Care Credit. Benefits, they don't run your credit, but you do have to put a significant payment down, or depending on what you're getting. I think it's like 10 to 15% or whatever it is you're getting done. And then you have Care Credit, which is you don't have to put anything down, and it's 1 year interest free, but you do have to run your credit. You know what I'm saying? So I chose what works best for me. I know for a fact I'm going to pay this off this year. You know what I'm saying? Before those 12 months, I plan on having this paid off within the next 3 months or whatever. So that's why I chose that. And then on top of that, I get my credit to be worked on in the middle of that. So I was like, that's the best route for me. But I said do your own research. But y'all, everything was just so awesome. Like, I was able to get comprehensive hair. They talked to me or whatever. And if you are in Atlanta and you trying to get some type of alternative help or whatever the case is, I definitely recommend Progressive Medical Care. It's located here in Dunwoody. Now I gotta go home and I gotta do the nasty part, y'all. I'm doing a stool test. Y'all heard what she had to do. I'm not okay with that. Oh, Father God, in the name of you. But whatever. Anyways, y'all, so that's pretty much it. Stay tuned because I'm going to continue to take y'all on this journey with me. I was so happy that they let me like record. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Oh, and y'all, the part, you know I love that part. God, guess what? We fancy. I got some cactus juice, some cactus lime water. And y'all, it's actually kind of cute. You know, it reminds me of coconut water. It tastes like extra sour coconut water to me, honestly, but it's good to me. They got all types of cute stuff, and y'all, they got my sauce. If you IBS or whatever, get you some 40. 40 be, listen, 40 if you know me. I'm trying to tell y'all, this is the bomb. Regardless of whatever it is y'all take from what I'm saying, take your health into your own hands. If you can strategize about how you're going to pay this bill or pay your car note or pay all the stuff like that, make sure you include your health into that, man. If you don't have health insurance, if you don't have all that stuff, figure out a plan to do what you have to do, because we need to take our health seriously out here. Like, we don't have to live out here being suffering. We do not have to live out here doing the bare minimum, and we don't have to have our life interrupted about things that we can't control. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm here, y'all. I just want us to live long. You know what I'm saying? Our generation, we is knocking barriers down, you feel me? From everything, from how we're presented out here, how we're treated and stuff like that. Why not add your health into the mix? I'm trying to live long. I got stuff to do. Okay? Like, I'm trying to be fine for the rest of my life. Like, I ain't got time to be like, oh my God, Shyka was so cute. What happened to her? Y'all, if you say what happened to me, y'all gonna be like, what didn't happen to her? You get what I'm saying? Like, dang, she's still fine. She 84 and look like she's 24. You dang Skippy. Her, me, she, period. Okay, so I'm about to go home and I'm about to do the clear mapping or whatever. And yeah, we're gonna call it a day. All right, y'all. All right, so that's my appointment. That's how it went. Y'all should go. That's pretty much it. So I'm sleepy. I'm tired. I don't like doing, impromptu stuff because I suck at this kind of stuff. But guess what? I'm her. She's me. She did it. Okay? And you can do it too. So go do that. And yeah. Peace out. Share, like, share, subscribe, all that. Love y'all.